I don't want to take much time. Honorable Minister Mr. Goyal has said, complete your speech within 3 minutes. I may 1 or 2 minutes extend my speech with your permission. Sir, the reservation system itself in Karnataka was implemented by the Maharaja of Mysore. It starts from 1918. Now I come to the point. Today, the present government headed by Narendra Modi, he has taken some steps to provide benefit to all the OBC and other communities also. Last session, Prime Minister has declared 10% other than the present 50% system what has been accommodated by the Supreme Court fixing the cap for forward communities who are economically backward. That can also be taken into consideration by the state governments. So keeping in view whether the cap is going to be fixed at 60% or the neighboring state, which I welcome, 69%, what it has been completely approved by Madam Jayalalitha. See, is it going to be leave it to the states? So that is the only one question I would like to ask the government to clarify. Sir, during my short tenure, I moved a constitutional amendment to give reservation to women that is approved by this House. If I am correct, in Rajya Sabha, women reservation bill has been approved. I don't know what has happened to bring it to Lok Sabha. Let the government think over and see that the women reservation should also be provided. The other point is, during my period in Karnataka, Khargeji is here, and it was started some portion of reservation by Moiliji. Then, when he took over, sir, reservation to all these backwards SCs, STs, see, not only politically, economically, and job, all these things, professional courses, admission also, we have provided. There is no new thing for us. I will just give the information to your kind through you to the House. 23% of our reservation to OBC. Khargeji is here. 15% SC, 3% ST, and 9% within that 5% Vakligas, who called the major community, and 5% Lingaites. This is the reservation which we have done, and 23% goes to OBC. In that OBC, Muslim minorities also included, and there is no any opposition during our period. Nobody went to the court. Even today, Muslim reservation is still going on. Now, why I am clarifying this issue, we should not think of somebody has attacked the Muslim minorities. The state government has taken action to arrest them. Let us be very clear. Everybody is Indians. 130 crores population is there. Irrespective of the states, I can't say what is the cap. Small states are there. There are some big states like Uttar Pradesh, so Bihar. I don't know how the reservation will be done and the cap will be fixed. If it is left to the state government, I have no objection. But let it be clarified by the government. I would like to only express my sincere thanks to the Honorable Minister and also the Prime Minister who has taken these radical steps and supported by all the Cabinet Minister, HRD Minister has explained all his community, everything. I heard very patiently, but at least lastly, you have given some time for me. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Honourable Member. Honourable Shri K. Ravindra Kumar Ji. You have 4 minutes.
I'm waiting for the opportunity, but before